Did you know that the human eye can distinguish up to a few hundred hues? Fascinating, right? This is the magic of color vision, a feature of visual perception that enables us to perceive differences between light composed of different frequencies, independently of light intensity. So how does this work? Here's the science behind it, broken down for you. The process begins when light enters the eye, stimulating different types of photoreceptors. These photoreceptors then emit outputs that get propagated through many layers of neurons and ultimately to the brain. This complex process is what gives us the ability to see and differentiate colors. It's not just humans who have this ability. Many animals possess color vision too, which is mediated by similar underlying mechanisms with common types of biological molecules. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the technicalities. The visible light spectrum, which is what our eyes can perceive, ranges from about 380 to 740 nanometers. Spectral colors, which are colors produced by a narrow band of wavelengths, such as red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and violet, can be found in this range. But what happens when the wavelengths are longer or shorter than this range? Those fall into categories called infrared or ultraviolet, respectively. While humans generally can't see these wavelengths, some animals can. The ability to detect hue is another fascinating aspect of color vision. Even the slightest differences in wavelength can cause a difference in the perceived hue. This is why the human eye can distinguish so many different hues. However, vision isn't always the same. In very low light levels, vision is scotopic, meaning light is detected by rod cells of the retina, which don't play a significant role in color vision. In brighter light, like daylight, vision is photopic, where light is detected by cone cells responsible for color vision. There's also something called mesopic vision, which comes into play between these regions, where both rods and cones provide signals to the retinal ganglion cells. So, to summarize, color vision is a complex process that begins with the stimulation of photoreceptors in the eye by light, which then sends signals through layers of neurons to the brain. This process allows us to perceive differences in light composed of different frequencies, and thus see a myriad of colors. It's a feature found in many animals and is mediated by similar mechanisms. The visible light spectrum, spectral colors, and the ability to detect hue are all crucial aspects of color vision. And depending on the light level, our vision can be scotopic, photopic, or mesopic. Isn't it amazing how much there is to color vision? It's not just about seeing a rainbow of colors, but understanding the intricate science behind it. So the next time you marvel at a beautiful sunset or a vibrant painting, remember the incredible process that's taking place in your eyes.